Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about adaptation of penguins. So penguins are also found in the polar regions. So penguins are found in the south polar regions, and it is a sea bird. It is a seabird which cannot fly. So it lives in the extremely cold south polar regions. So penguins, polar bear and the seal are the animals which are found in polar regions. Polar regions, the area which are found which are nearer to the south pole and the north pole. And penguin hunts for fish which they eat as food. Penguin can live in extremely cold climate due to the following adaptations. So come to the next page. Adaptation in penguins. So penguins develop social behavior. They huddle together to conserve the body heats. They also have strong and solid bones, unlike other birds, that help them to dive and stay underwater for food, but they cannot fly. This adaptation developed in penguins to survive and thrive on the South Pole are given as follows. Penguins have thick layer of blubber or fats under the skin for insulation. They have the black feathers which absorbs the heat from the sun. Body is covered with a thick fur to prevent the heat loss. Forelimbs. Forelimbs modified to flippers which help them to fly very fast underwater. White fur for aiding camouflage, that means to prevent from the predator as well as to catch the prey. Strong legs adapted for swimming and running. Streamlined body to reduce drag in water. Streamlined to reduce liquid pressure. Drag is called as the liquid pressure. That's why they are a good swimmer also. So penguins are found in south polar regions, that is the Antarctic Circle, and they cannot fly but they can run very fast, and they can run also very fast in water. They have a strong legs for swimming and running, and they are camouflage because they can change the color. They can hide themselves in white snow. So that is about the penguins. And penguins is black and white in color but still merges well with the white background of eyes. So penguins are have a streamlined body also, streamlined body and flipper like wings and webbed feet. That's why they are a good swimmer. Then we have the adaptation of seal. Seal is also a type of animal, but it is an aquatic mammal. Penguin is a seabird. Polar bear is a mammal also, but seal is an aquatic mammal which lives in water. Seals can hold their breath for a very long time underwater. Their highly specialized mouth allows them to eat underwater without taking in the sea water. So they have highly specialized mouth so that they can sit underwater. They can eat underwater without taking in the seawater. The various adaptation developed in seals are given below. Streamlined body and absence of neck to reduce drag in water. Drag means pressure. Big eyes are specially modified to see underwater. Nostrils, the opening, are slits. Slits means divided that close naturally underwater. So natural nostrils have what? The slits, that is the flap which closes when they are underwater. Long claws that help them to grip slippery ice surfaces, and strong flippers that help them to cover considerable distances on land and swim in water. So these are the structures found in seal. Now come to the rainforests in tropical regions. Evergreen trees continuously grow and provide food in the constant, warm and wet climate of tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest are the thick forests which grow near both the side of the equator of earth when the climate is very hot and humid and rainfall is high. So some of the countries where tropical rainforests are found are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. So the tropical rainforest contains half of all animals and plant species, yet they cover only about 10% of the earth's surface. This creates huge competition between the species inhabiting this area. As a result of the fierce competition, both prey and the predator species show highly advanced adaptation to survive and thrive in the regions. So let us study them. So in the next class, you will study about the adaptation in lions and also the deer. That's all for today.